Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monia and today we're gonna do my first PR unboxing. What? And I know what it is because they reached out to me and were very kind enough to ask me to review their product. So it's gonna be an unboxing as well as a review, checking out their product, seeing if it's great and if I would be recommending it for the future. So let's see what it is. And of course, it's this big box right behind me. So let's grab it and open it up. Envelope opener. Let's see how it works. It's a big box. So I open up the box. So, from Sassina. Thanks, Sassina. Ooh, okay. It's very nice packaging. Love the golden. Ooh, look at this. Wow. Those are stunning. So there's little lash application instructions on the back of the box. So let's go ahead, read them and get these suckers on so I can see how they look, as well as see how they hold up, and then I'll follow up with this video. And I think these are gonna be a great dupe for a few lashes that I have in mind that I kind of was snooping around on the internet. Okay, so there's like a little, inside, there's this little ribbon in which you tug and it pops the lashes out. These are intense, but I'm here for it. You always want to take the lash out from the inner corner and grab it by the band. Okay, so it's a little tricky getting this glue that they have off out of it, but as long as you have tweezers, you'll be able to work around it. I'm gonna start by the inner corner and place it till the outer corner. So I'm gonna bring you in a little bit closer so you can see exactly what I see. Okay, so these do need some trimming. And you see these little tags at the end? You want to trim those off. So I cut off a little bit, and I recommend, just to be resourceful, to hold on to those ends because you can always use them for your bottom lashes if you want. You can just kind of clip on a couple and have like a really cool dramatic look. Okay, now let's get some lash glue on and put these suckers on, girl. And because the band is a little bit thicker, just know that it's going to be harder to work with for beginners. Here are the lashes on. They are, again, super stunning, very fierce. The tensions in the eye, they look natural. They look very pretty, soft, with a little sass. The lashes themselves are really nice. Okay, so these are about $7, which is not pricey at all. If you want like a nice pair of bold lashes that you just want to slap on real quick and go on with your day, these are the ones to get. They're definitely, you can tell, higher quality than Ardell. I love Ardell, but their band is thinner. So if you're looking for a thinner band, get Ardell. If you want something like thicker, more stable, gives you a little extra oomph to your eyeliner that you have on, then these are a great pick. Regardless, I don't think you can go wrong with them, but because they are a thicker band, I would recommend it for people that have some experience or you have some time to kind of play around with it, meander and work with it. It could take you a few times. It took me a couple times, but lashes is a new game for me. Falsies are a new thing for me, so it's totally user error on my end. But yeah, that was the PR packaging for today. I hope you enjoyed it. It was pretty cool getting my first PR package. I was super excited. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and join the Rebel family by subscribing to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And until next time. It is really hard to wink with lashes. Oh, baby, come back to me. In my heart, I still believe we were meant to be together for whatever it takes. Baby, come back to me.